Hello and welcome to our channel, where we bring you the best content on matters of health. In today's video, we're excited to share with you the ultimate keto meal plan. If you've been looking for a way to enhance your well-being and achieve optimal nutrition, you're in the right place. Please watch till the end. I have a reward for you. So let's dive right in. The ketogenic diet, or keto diet, has gained immense popularity for its ability to promote weight loss, increase energy levels, and improve overall health. But what exactly is the keto diet? Simply put, it's a low-carb, high-fat diet that forces your body into a state of ketosis, where it burns fat for fuel instead of carbohydrates. The foundation of a successful keto meal plan lies in understanding the macronutrient ratios. To achieve ketosis, you need to consume approximately 70 to 75% of your daily calories from healthy fats, 20 to 25% from high-quality proteins, and only 5 to 10% from carbohydrates. This combination shifts your body's metabolism, helping you burn fat more efficiently. Planning your meals in advance is crucial for sticking to the keto diet. The Ultimate Keto Plan is a comprehensive meal plan that takes the guesswork out of your daily nutrition. Each day's menu is designed to provide you with a balanced intake of fats, proteins, and low-carb vegetables while keeping your taste buds satisfied. Let's take a look at a sample day on the Ultimate Keto Meal Plan. For breakfast, start your day with a delicious avocado and bacon omelet. Avocado provides healthy fats, while bacon adds protein to keep you full and satisfied. For lunch, enjoy a refreshing salad with grilled chicken and a side of olive oil dressing. Dinner can be a mouth-watering grilled salmon with roasted asparagus. And don't worry, we haven't forgotten about snacks and desserts. How about some tasty almond butter fat bombs or a creamy coconut chia pudding? Remember, staying hydrated is essential on the keto diet. Make sure to drink plenty of water throughout the day and incorporate electrolyte-rich beverages like bone broth or sugar-free sports drinks. These will help maintain your electrolyte balance and prevent the keto flu symptoms. It's important to note that the Ultimate Keto Meal Plan is not a one-size-fits-all solution. Everyone's nutritional needs and preferences are different. So feel free to tailor the meal plan to suit your specific requirements. Consult with a healthcare professional or a registered dietitian to ensure you're on the right track. Congratulations! You're now equipped with the knowledge and tools to embark on the Ultimate Keto Meal Plan. By following this guide, you can transform your health, achieve optimal nutrition, and discover a whole new world of delicious keto-friendly meals. The giveaway? There is a link pinned in the comment section for you to read more and get a free 21 meals keto recipes to kickstart your weight loss journey. Remember, the key to success is consistency and making sustainable lifestyle changes. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel for more valuable content, and share it with others who might benefit from the Ultimate Keto Meal Plan. Stay healthy and we'll see you in the next video.